Alrighty, Fort Lauderdale, we're getting ready to leave and head north. But before we leave, here's some video of the little boats around here. Oh my goodness. A mere $6 million will buy you that one.
This one too, or is this one fine?
And then the one up here.
Which one? Oh, that one's fine.
Another little boat.
That one.
And then way underneath the bridge, that has to open for us in a few minutes. Another big boat.
That has to go to the main. You can put it up on the main if you want.
So back here are a few little homes. I heard somebody talking about one of these belonging to the people that own Pillsbury Dough, or Pillsbury, whatever the hell the name of their company is. I can only imagine how much a house like that must cost around here. A little overcast this morning. It's about 8 o'clock. We're waiting for the bridge to open at 8:15. It's going to jiggle and move around. Sorry, guys.
Caution, caution. 17th Street is going down.
It's sinking. This is what we've been looking at for the past 4 days as we've been working on getting the rigging redone. Alrighty, more scenes from Fort Lauderdale. We're actually on the Intercoastal Waterway as we work our way up towards the fuel dock to get fuel. Just motoring along here in this channel, which is the Intercoastal Waterway. Looking at some nice boats. This is where we thought we were supposed to go when we first got here. Being followed by the flamingo. Oh, flamingo, what's happening? Alright, more shots on a few. Alrighty, more scenes from the ICW. There's the ticket. Yeah, you got your nice big mansion sitting here on the Intercoastal Waterway along with your 130-foot boat. Pretty sweet.
Call the fuel dock. Just pull up.
Just pull up. Alrighty, Daryl at the fuel dock. Pumping fuel in Fort Lauderdale, getting ready for the long trip. Last time we'll be standing on dry land for a while, probably for about 5.5, 6 days maybe. At least on purpose. And down there in front of us is a bridge that has to open for us, and then once we get past that bridge, we keep on going. Cody bringing the ice. Okay, everybody, where the heck are we?
Who knows?
Lost at sea.
Come on, we're near Georgia. We're about 90 miles offshore of the Georgia coast. Sailing along, having Cody's creation called Jerky Boy Chicken. Is that what it's called?
I just call it jerk chicken tacos.
It's called what?
Jerk chicken tacos?
Oh yeah? Did you learn how to make this how? When you were in prison?
I just made it up.
So this is kind of the day today. We were sailing yesterday, motoring today. But it's kind of a nice break. That's actually a lot cooler than what we've been used to. So in a couple of days we'll be going around Cape Hatteras and heading north, taking the boat to her new home. And everybody's pretty much ignoring me, so I think it's time for me to eat. So ta-ta for now.
So it's safe for you to eat it now?
Ta-ta for now. Alrighty, here we are in the Solomons, Solomon Island in Maryland. We made it safely. Last time we talked to you, we were off the coast of Georgia. So we went past South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, into the Chesapeake last night, and got in here about 4 o'clock in the morning and got tied up, and here we are, and there's Daryl getting ready because we're going to move her over to her permanent dock here in a few minutes. They let us put the boat here overnight when we came in. In fact, they even gave us a reserve spot with the name reserved for Scirocco. Pretty cool. There's Wendy. She's doing something with her camera. Hi, Wendy.
Hi.
There's Cody. Cody's standing by to fall in the water with me when we push the boat away. Nice and cool breeze. Feels a lot better than it did in Fort Lauderdale. Right over here, right over there, next to that blue hull boat, is where the boat is going to sit. Her permanent home, at least while she's here in Maryland. So we all made it safely. 1,800 mile trip. We left on the 11th, and today is the 28th, right?
Yep.
So 1,800 miles from the 11th to the 27th, so 16 days. That's pretty good. 64 knots for the trip, which is pretty fast. The marina. Hey Daryl, what's the name of the marina? Sandheiser? So there you go, that's the end of it. We're safe and secure. Ta-ta for now. Bye.